Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. And every Monday, or I'm going to try every Monday, to do some type of review and case study. And this particular one, I seem to be just beating a dead horse on this for Stickr.co. I've done videos in the past. I've just gone through each month of what I'm spending and what I'm making. And last month, I said I wasn't going to do this anymore because it's a total waste of money and time. But the month escaped me, and I didn't cancel the service. And I got a payment on it, so I'm going to report it, and then I'm going to cancel this account right now, live, but recorded. So not really live for me, but if you're watching it 10 years from now, then I've already done it a while back. All right, so let's look at this here. Let's get into the account, shall we? Stickr.com, cancel account. We're going to do that in just a moment, but I'm going to get in here and kind of show you what's going on. So I did my monthly verification. So this month was Leaf, due to the fall weather, I'm assuming. And all those things are falling on the ground, and a lot of people probably on the East Coast are raking those motherfuckers up. Okay, let's get rid of that. And my earnings is what I want to go to. I want to show you right down here. They did pay me out $55.80, which I did get in my PayPal. So, and then I turn around and put that in my bank account, which my bank account is very happy with me. So this is this month's right here. As you can see, it's the lowest it's been, $13.35. I mean, I'm just going to assume it's going to be around the $14, $13 mark every month. That's not really worth it. I'm paying $9.99 each month to have the privilege of renting the sticker, I guess. So I'm making $4 or $5 a month. Big fucking whoop. And you got to take a picture of it each month, and for $5 and upload it to their site and get it approved. And then it's just a bunch of poopy doopy. If you're desperate for $5 every month, and you do have $9.99 to give them, and they'll give you back that money plus about $4 or $5 commission, then I mean, certainly do so. I mean, you do get money back. It's not that it doesn't work. It's just a total fucking waste of time. So let's look at a total amount. And this is going to be April through October. Now, just keep in mind, I'm going to be paid for one more month. I am going to be paid for this month because I did put in my approval. So I just rack up another $13 probably on here. So I really should have put probably $95 on here. But that's okay. It just gives you a general sense of what April through October of 2021 is. So the total amount that I paid is about $140.64 in all from signing up for the service and my $9.99 each month. And this is my profit so far. I probably should add another $13-14 on there, like I said. So you're looking about a negative $57. Let's say a negative $45 just to be I don't know, just to be semi-fair about it. So I'm still going to be in the red. It'd probably take me until next summer, maybe next fall, to get in the positive. And then you start making a profit by the end of 2022, whatever. So let's cancel this fucker. Excuse me. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. I'm going to get out of here. This is like therapy right here, right now. Cancel this account. Stickr cancel. Cancel your account. You must fill out the information below. We're sorry to see you go. All right, let's start. My first name is Christopher. Oh, this is like going to counseling. Okay, last name is Mosier. Okay. You must same email address used previously. Okay, so not the PayPal account address, but my address that I signed up for. And you can have my phone number. It's on the web. Try to call me. I won't answer anyways. Let's see. Please tell us why you're canceling your membership. I never installed my decal. Nope, we did that. I installed my decal, but forgot to send info. Nope, did that. I'm not making enough money. Never received my decal. Signed up by mistake. I expect this to be different. All right, that's how you would have improved for you. So making $5 or less a month on commission is pointless. Does that mean? I don't know. Done. Your information was sent perfectly. All right, excellent. So let's get out of this stupid thing. Code. And we'll go into manage accounts. Already did that. Oh, I forgot. So it probably takes a minute to get something in my email. Oops, that's where I wanted to go. All right, guys and gals. So I would spend your time doing something else. It's kind of a waste. I want it to be some type of passive income, but for $5 a month. I mean, it's not really passive. You do have to do some work at it. I mean, you have to do at work at anything. But maybe if I was making like 15, $20 a month, it'd be worth it, right? It's a dinner. It's some gas in the car. It's I don't know, 4 things of coffee, which I seem to drink tons of. So, guys and gals, I wouldn't do this. Spend your time doing something else. If you do have time, go Uber, go deliver groceries, stuff like that. Tips are much better that way. If you want some type of passive income, I will look for better opportunities. Your best probably realm into passive income is investing your money into stocks and real estate and things of that nature. I'm not a Bitcoin guy, so I don't know. That's up to you. Go to another video to learn about that because I'm not. I'm totally not a Bitcoin guy, and I don't have any money in Bitcoin, and I'm totally going off track rails here where this video is supposed to be. But don't do this. It's crap. All right, guys and gals, thanks for listening. As always, you can. I got to think of all the things. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the belly thing below there, and you'll get updates on my videos and stuff like that. All right, guys and gals, thanks for watching. As always, I'm not really shooting you. I'm just kind of going, as in I'm acknowledging you more than shooting you. I don't shoot my audience, and you won't come back and watch my videos and share them and like them and stuff like that. All right, guys and gals, I appreciate you as always. I already said that I'm leaving now because I'm now repeating myself. And I'm just going to get closer to you as I fade off into obscurity.